Today we are going to be doing a guinea pig out of modeling clay. So we're going to model a guinea pig. Speaking of guinea pigs, my cute little guinea pig. His name is Chewy. And his cage is a mess. So anyway, I'm just going to clean it. So I cannot wait to do the model. I cannot wait to model a guinea pig out of modeling clay. And if you're wondering what this blanket is, it's my fault. I'm going to be doing it in my big masterpiece. Okay, so I am going to put the camera here. Can you see me? Okay, so first, I'm gonna do my guinea pig just like my guinea pig, but you can do yours different if you want to. So, yeah. So first, I would start off with the white. And take, I would say, no, I would say this much, yeah. And I would form it into, I would say, this. Make sure it's kind of like small on one end because, you know, their face is like a little bit small. Make sure it like goes down a little bit like this. And you don't have to have any cracks, but you can if you want to. Because, you know, sometimes when you do modeling clay, like there's like cracks. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is, no, that's gray. I would take our black, and this is where it gets to the styling part. I'm going to do it my way, but you don't have to do it my way. Okay, I'm going to take, no, probably don't even need this much. Where did I grab that much? Okay, so I would say, I would take, about this much, roll it into a ball, like a little ball, and then make it and just like flatten it. Then I would put that on the head. I make mine a little bit more flatter. Now I'm gonna put mine on the head. Because on the head of my guinea pig's black. Just gonna do it just like if you hear like some people talking, that's just my mom. Okay, now that you have this, what I'm going to do is add, like, you probably need just the tiniest bit of brown. Like the tiniest. Like this much. Actually, I don't even need that much. I'm going to need that. Oh, this is the black container. I'm going to put it in the brown container. I'll figure it out later. Okay, now what? I have this much. Now I'm going to roll it into a ball. And then, like, just roll it. Make it, like, long. And now, flatten it. Once you've made it long. Flatten it like this. And then take your guinea pig. And then just go down the middle of the guinea pig, just like this. Now we have the head of our guinea pig. Now I would take the tiniest bit of brown. I mean, not brown, I mean black. This much. And then take it in half and then make it into small balls, then squish them. And these are going to be the ears. They need to look like this, and you need to make 2 of them. And then these are going to be the ears. And then go right here. And make like the ears coming, like standing up. Like that. And then do the same with the other side. Now we have the face of our little mini guinea pig. And now we are going to take our black. Uh-oh. Oh, my black fell off. Okay. Take. No. I would say take this much black. And then roll it into a ball. Like this. And then flatten it. Flatten it a little bit. So, to make it the size about like that. And then put it at like the end of the guinea pig. The opposite side of the face. Not opposite side of the face. Well, I don't really mean opposite. Just put it on like right here. Fingers. And just put it on the butt. And then just like stick it on there. And make it look like this. And I'm going to, my guinea pig has some more brown, so I'm going to put some more brown. My guinea pig has white, but I did the first thing I did is put white on there, like make it into a white ball. So that's why I did that. I don't need this much brown. So yeah. And I'm going to roll it into a ball. Well, yeah, I'm gonna like roll it into this. Then just flatten it. And then I'm running out of white. I mean, brown. That's okay. If you run out of brown, you can just get some more. Okay. Then gonna go like this. There we go. Now we have our guinea pig. Wait. And if the ears fall down, that's okay. You can just pick it back up. Now we have our cute little guinea pig. Now, we're not done yet. We just need to add the eyes. Okay, so then I would get some gray. Just like the tiniest bit of gray. I would say this much. And then cut that much in half. These are going to be the eyes. They look black eyes. So then put it on just like this. But then I would take your white and get like, I would say about, it's probably so tiny I can't even show you. That much. And then cut it in half. And then put it on those gray spots of the eye. Just like that. Now I have my guinea pig. Alright, now we are still not done yet. If you want to, you can add the legs, but I'm going to add the legs. So the legs can be like any color you want. I'm going to get a little bit of this. Like, I'm going to use a little bit of brown and a little bit of black. Yeah, black. Because my guinea pig has brown, black, and white. That's sweet. He has one white arm and one white leg, yeah. And then I would make the arms like smaller than the legs. Because like guinea pigs have small arms and big legs. Well, I mean big feet. So now I have two little balls of white. Well, two pieces of white. Like you probably need it like this small. And I have one black piece and I have one brown piece. Now I'm going to take our brown piece, form it into like a bowl, put it on like close to his head, like that, then take a little ball, then take your white piece and turn it into a ball. Then put it on, then put it right next to the other brown ball, like this. Now I'm going to do my black, roll into a ball, and then once I got it into a ball, I'm just gonna roll it like this a little bit, and then put it right here. And then do the same with one other piece of white. You can really do the feet any color you want. But I'm doing my guinea pig the color my real guinea pig is. Just like this. Now, if it falls off, you can just secure it. You need to secure it. Now we have our guinea pig. That's it for today, guys. Bye.